First meeting today is already done. We are planning the next issue of our magazine, and in the meantime it's a nasty rainy day in Phuket. I was supposed to take this young lady back home. She was waiting for me here while I was having the meeting, but I cannot do it on a bike in this weather. So our friend Leslie is coming to pick Hannah up. And there goes Hannah, taken away. And I have to go home on this, in this pouring rain. Hannah was taken away and I got home on my bike in this tropical rain. You might think that Thailand is hot, and it is generally hot, but not on a day like this, and when you have to ride your bike in the rain it gets really chilly and I'm soaking wet. Well, it's definitely not getting any better today. It was raining all day. This is literally the first time today that I'm leaving the house since morning when I went for my meeting. It's now almost 10 o'clock at night and Jasmine just asked me for ice cream. And as she's the love of my life and pregnant, well, I obeyed, and here I am going to a nearby shop. There's not only 7-Eleven in Thailand, there's also Family Mart. Much less of them, but still, it's here. And in front of any small shop like Family Mart or 7-Eleven in Thailand, you always get an ATM, a scale where you can check your weight. And I don't know what this one is. Maybe you can tell me. If somebody knows, please comment, let me know. Sorry, Gab. Orange ice cream. Rebecca? Mission not accomplished. They didn't have orange ice cream.